Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today we are giving this dresser a makeover. So I'm first starting out by removing the drawers and the knobs. Next, I will be taking these bamboo skewers and I'm going to be putting them on the dresser. And today I'm using Titebond wood glue. I'm starting off with the drawers first, so I poured some wood glue on top and I'm using my paintbrush to smear it around. Next, I took my blow dryer and went over the glue, and that's only because I wanted to get it a little tacky because I'm going to be attaching my bamboo sticks. And this is the pattern I'm going for, so I'm just adding the skewers on each corner, and then I'm going to go in the middle and add more. And you can add as many skewers as you like. I put about 15 skewers on each side. Next, I started adding more skewers on the top and the bottom. After I was done, I took the blow dryer and I dried it more just so none of the skewers would fall off. And then I went back on the top with more wood glue. After I was done with the glue, I let it sit on the side until it dried a little bit more. And now I'm going to start on the top of the dresser, and the design will be the same as the drawer. I am adding a skewer in each corner, and then I'm going to start filling in as I did before. After I was done, I added more wood glue on top, and mainly in the middle because that's what's holding everything together. While that was drying, I went back to the drawer that I started earlier, and I'm going to start breaking off the skewers. This drawer is not fully dry, which is why I'm putting my palm on the drawer as I'm breaking them. And that's because I really wanted to get this project done before I went to sleep. But all I am doing is snapping the skewers. I'm pushing down on them first and then I'm pulling up. And after I was done, I went around with my scissors and cut off all the extra pieces of wood. Next, I went back to the top of my dresser and I did the same thing, pulling the pieces of skewers down first and then pulling them back up. And I am using the pliers to just pull them off. Next, I am moving on to the front of the dresser and I'm covering it with wood glue. And I'm covering the whole thing at once because I want it to start drying and getting very sticky, so that way the skewers will stick on better. And I am using 2 picks for the front, just because I thought they would be easier to manage. So I will just be putting them across. After I was finished, I broke them off, and like I said, they were super easy to break because they are just toothpicks and they're not as strong as the skewers. Next, I move to the side of the dresser and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cover it all with my wood glue. Next, I pre-cut these skewers to fit inside of this part of the dresser, and I'm just going to be lining them up. And I'm doing all of this just to give it texture. I could have easily stopped at the drawers and the top of the dresser, but I figured if I'm going to do one part, I might as well do it all. Next, I took my toothpicks again and I just lined them down the sides as I did the front of the dresser. I then took the skewers and lined them up on the trim of the dresser, and each dresser is different, so you probably won't have to do as much as I did, but it just depends. I just wanted to make sure that the whole dresser was covered with either skewers or toothpicks. Next, I am using this acrylic latex caulk that I got from Home Depot, and I'm going to be going in between the skewers with the paintbrush and basically giving it more texture, and it's help filling in any gaps. And by the way, this part is optional. So I finished the top and I also did the sides. And I did the front. And the last thing I did was the drawers, and I made sure I put a decent amount in the middle of the drawer. After I was finished, I let it dry for 3 hours, and then I spray painted it with gold metallic spray paint. And this is how it turned out when it was finished. I've been wanting to do this project for like a year or so now. I'm in love with the way it turned out. I've been really on some texture stuff lately, and this is exactly the way I imagined it would look. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, glitter babes. Stay blessed.